Okay, here is what I've done with the shelves above the toilet in my bathroom. My husband built shelves and put those up, and we added this sign across the top and a little jar of cotton balls and Q-tips. And I bought this basket. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in it yet. If anybody has suggestions, let me know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. It was cute, but not sure. And I got this little truck. And of course, there was our DIY toilet. Okay, here's how I added a little bit of fall in my bathroom. First, I started with this little pitcher and added just some mums and fall leaves in it. Just something simple and small. And then I added just a couple pumpkins in this truck with the pumpkins in the back and the windmill, you know, sticking with the farmhouse. And that's my toilet that I normally have in here. And then on the top, I just added three pumpkins. I didn't go far out, just added a touch of fall.